everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you the Wishluck Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Let's unbox this. So here it is. Let us take this out. That's a cool box. This is a cute box. See it? Let's look at what's inside here. So that's what it looks inside. So let's see what's in here. This is the user's manual. So let's take the box out. So here it is, right here. It's wrapped so many times. Oh, here it is. This is what it looks like right here. This is the box. Let's open this and see what we have here. So, alright, this is the plug right here. These are the trays. It has 6.6-inch LED display. You can view the time and adjust the display light colors and use it as a night lamp or alarm clock. So the LED display here offers 7 different color modes and 3 brightness levels, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. So here it is. I already added the water in here. So I'm gonna put my jewelries inside here. Alright, so this is my jewelry that I'm gonna put inside there. This is the before. And then these are them inside there. So I'm gonna close it. To hold this for 3 seconds. So we'll wait for 3 minutes. This cleaner uses 48 kHz ultrasonic waves to create super bubbles that thoroughly clean your items. With its 17-ounce 500 ml stainless steel tank, you can clean a variety of objects from jewelry to dentures and even eyeglasses. It ensures a 360-degree cleaning, leaving no spot untouched. Alright, now let's see the results here. Look at that dirt in the water. Let's take it out. Here they are, the after. It looks so clean. Let's look at the earrings right there and the ring. It looks so shiny. Even the necklace right here. It looks so shiny compared to before. And as you can see earlier that I showed you, the water got so dirty and they turned out great. This right here is the built-in 4 UV lights that automatically activate for 5 minutes after the cleaning cycle, ensuring your items are extra clean. And the stainless steel tank is corrosion resistant, and the high-quality plastic design adds a touch of elegance to any room. If you're looking for a gift idea, this Wishluck Ultrasonic Cleaner is perfect. It's great for anyone who loves jewelry, wears dentures, or needs to keep their glasses spotless. With these 3 classic colors you can choose from, it's both functional and stylish. In conclusion, this ultrasonic jewelry cleaner is versatile, stylish, and powerful device that brings convenience and cleanliness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. See you next time!